For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these super easy, cute and adorable little teddy bear key rings. They work up very quickly and take next to no time and are a very quick, easy seller at any of your craft or vendor shows. To make these, we're going to start off, we'll need a 4mm crochet hook. We'll need a pair of scissors, a darning needle, a pair of safety eyes. I am using 6mm safety eyes plus the backs for them. You could also sew on eyes for yours if you wish. I prefer the safety eyes. You'll need either a lanyard clasp or a key ring with a jump ring added onto it. And you'll need some number 4 weight yarn. And all of the items used here, I will actually go ahead and link in the video description box below where you can purchase them. To make these, we're going to start off and create a magic ring. I'm going to leave the tail probably 6 inches long. I'll be using this to attach to the key ring. Now, to make a magic ring, hold your yarn between your thumb and index finger, wrap around so your working end is on the top, and then kind of just move it towards the back, kind of like between your fingers. Bring your hook between those 2 fingers and grab the tail end, pull up a loop, and then chain 1 to create your magic ring. From here, we're going to single crochet 6 times into the ring. Once we have our 6 single crochets, grab your tail end of the magic ring and pull it in order to close. And there we are with step 1. For round 2, now for this project, we're just going to work in the round, so there's no chain 1 or anything or slip stitch between rounds. So round 2, we're going to work 2 single crochets into each stitch going all the way around. So round 2 will have 12 single crochet stitches made. And there we are for the end of round 2. For round 3, we're going to single crochet once into your next 3 stitches. Now into our next stitch, we're going to create a bobble stitch, which is essentially, it's just a double crochet 5 together. So yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through your first 2 loops, and then repeat 4 more times. So now here we are, we've got a total of 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops to create your bobble. From here, we're going to put 2 single crochets into your next 3 stitches. So 2, 2, and 2. Then into our next stitch, we're going to do another of these bobbles. And then we're going to single crochet once into your next 4 stitches. And we are with the end of round 3, which had a total of 15 stitches. Now for round 4, we're going to single crochet once into your next 15 stitches. And there we are for round 4. Round 5, we're going to single crochet once into your next 7 stitches. And then into our next stitch, we're going to do another bobble, or in other terms, double crochet 5 together. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then to finish off this round, you're going to single crochet once into your next 7 stitches. And there we are for round 5. For round 6, we're going to do a decrease. So go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and go through all 3 loops. So we went through the first and the second stitch pulling up a loop. So there's our decrease. And then single crochet into your next stitch. And we want to repeat this 4 more times for this round. Decrease, single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet. And this round will end up having a total of 10 stitches made. And now at the end of there, I'm going to pull up a long loop to remove my hook. And then go to the face of our bear. Here's our nose and the ears. Now we're going to want to look in 1, 2, 3. So between rows 3 and 4, we're going to want to insert our safety eyes. So here's the stitch right in space right above the nose. So 1 stitch to the left and 1 stitch to the right. Insert our safety eyes. Add our backing. reinsert our hook. And then for our next row, which will be row 7, we're going to single crochet increase, or 2 single crochets into the same stitch, and then single crochet into your next stitch. And we want to repeat this 4 more times. Single crochet increase, and then single crochet into the next stitch. In this round, we'll end up having a total of 15 stitches. And there we are for the end of round 7. For round 8, we're going to single crochet once into your next 5 stitches. And then into our next stitch, we're going to want to do a bobble or double crochet 5 together. And then single crochet into your next 4 stitches. And then do another bobble into your next stitch. And then single crochet once into your next 4 stitches. And there we are with the end of row 8. Rows 9 and 10, we're going to single crochet once into your next 15 stitches. Or since we're working into the round, you could also look at it for rows 9 and 10, single crochet 30. And there we are for the end of round 10. For round 11, we're going to single crochet once into your next 6 stitches. And then into our next stitch, we're going to do another bobble or double crochet 5 together. And then single crochet once into your next 4 stitches. And then into our next stitch, we're going to do another bobble stitch or double crochet 5 together. And then single crochet once into your next 3 stitches. And there we are for round 11. For round 12, we're going to decrease and then single crochet into the next stitch, and we want to repeat this 4 more times. This round will end up having a total of 10 stitches. Decrease and then single crochet into your next. And then from here we can go ahead and tie off, leaving a long tail for us to sew the bottom of our bear together. Alright, so now that we've finished our body for our bear, next up we're going to add a little bit of polyfill into the bear. Doesn't take much. Then thread the tail end into the darning needle. Now I just work into front loops and just go into that first front loop with the darning needle all the way around through all 10 stitches. And then pull in order to close, and then weave in your end, and then last weave in and attach our key ring to the top of our bear. So either if you're doing a key ring or a lanyard clip, I'm just going to toss a lanyard clip onto these because just a lanyard clip pull seems to be the easiest seller. And we're just going to go in between the loops and attaching it right to that jump ring at the very end. Going a couple times through there, make sure it's good and secure, and then weave in that end also. And there you are with one of our lovely little teddy bear key rings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave it a little thumbs up, like, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And if you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button with that bell notification next to it so you can get a heads up every time I post a new video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.